In this short tutorial, I will show you how to check the version of Instagram on your device. Knowing the version of the app can be helpful for troubleshooting issues or making sure you have the latest features. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. What you want to do next is find the Instagram app. To do that, scroll down the list of apps. Just tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the app version. My Instagram app version is 324.0.4. This is exactly how you can check the Instagram version. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.